Listen and practice English.
Lost bag at bus stop.
Excuse me, is this the Lost and Found office?
Yes, it is. How can I help you?
I think I left my backpack on the bus.
When did this happen?
About an hour ago.
Can you describe the backpack?
It is black with red stripes.
Was there anything valuable inside?
Yes, my laptop, books, and house keys.
Do you remember the bus number?
Yes, it was bus 25.
That's helpful. Let me check our records.
Thank you. I hope someone found it.
One moment, please.
Sure.
Good news. A driver turned in a backpack about 30 minutes ago.
Really? That's wonderful.
Can you tell me what is inside to confirm it is yours?
There is a blue notebook, a silver laptop, and a water bottle.
Everything matches.
I am so relieved.
Please sign this form before I return it.
Of course.
Here is your backpack.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Please check that everything is inside.
Yes, everything is here.
Great. Have a safe day.
Thank you. You too. Goodbye.
Lost child at mall.
Excuse me, please help me. I can't find my son.
Please stay calm. When did you last see him?
About 10 minutes ago in the toy section.
What is your son's name?
His name is Ethan.
How old is he?
He is 6 years old.
What was he wearing?
A blue t-shirt, black shorts, and white shoes.
Do you have a recent photo of him?
Yes, here is a picture on my phone.
Thank you. This photo will help us.
I am really worried.
Don't worry. We will start looking right away.
Thank you so much.
I will inform our security team immediately.
Should I keep looking too?
Please stay near the information desk. If he comes back, he will find you here.
Okay, I will stay here.
We have announced his name over the mall speaker.
I hope he hears it.
One of our security guards just called me.
Did they find him?
Yes, he is safe and waiting at the children's play area.
Oh, thank goodness.
Please come with me. I'll take you to him.
Thank you for helping me find my son.
You're welcome. We're glad he is safe.
At the gym.
Good morning. I would like to join this gym.
Good morning. We'd be happy to help. Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Great. We have several membership plans.
Can you tell me about them?
We offer monthly, 6-month, and yearly membership.
Which one is the most popular?
Most people choose the yearly plan because it costs less each month.
That sounds like a good deal.
Would you like to see the gym before you decide?
Yes, please.
This way, we have a cardio area, a weight room, and a yoga studio.
Everything looks clean and modern.
Thank you. We clean the equipment every day.
Are fitness classes included?
Yes, all group classes are included with your membership.
That's great. Do you also have personal trainers?
Yes, you can book a trainer for an additional fee.
I'd like the yearly membership.
Excellent choice. May I have your ID, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Please fill out this membership form.
Okay, I'm finished.
Perfect. Your membership is now active.
Wonderful. When can I start working out?
You can start today.
Thank you. I'm excited to begin.
You're welcome. Enjoy your workout.
At the insurance office.
Good morning. I would like to buy health insurance.
Good morning. I'd be happy to help. Is this your first insurance policy?
Yes, it is.
No problem. I'll explain everything.
Thank you. I don't know much about insurance.
That's okay. We have different plans to fit your needs.
Which plan do most people choose?
Our standard plan is the most popular.
What does it cover?
It covers doctor's visits, hospital stays, and emergency treatment.
That sounds good.
Would you like to add dental coverage?
Yes. How much does it cost?
It is an extra $20 per month.
That's affordable.
May I see your ID, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Please fill out this application form.
Okay, give me a minute.
Take your time.
I have completed the form.
Great. Let me review your information.
Is everything correct?
Yes, everything looks good.
When will my insurance start?
Your coverage will begin on the first day of next month.
Perfect. Thank you for your help. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.